So all probability on the PSAT, the SAT, whether it's an easy question or hard question, is based on the exact same idea. We're going to create a fraction, and we're going to focus on both the top and the bottom. Usually the bottom is where we want to start. This is all possible outcomes. On the top, that's the desired, or the outcomes that we want, the desired outcomes. So I like to start on the bottom because usually on harder questions, that's the thing where stuff gets weird. But in this case, it's not so bad, right? A data set of 3 numbers is shown. If a number from this data set is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a negative number? Well, there are 3 numbers, so our total number of outcomes that we could select is 3. And then what is the desired outcome? We want a negative number. Well, looks like there's only 1. So 1 out of 3, 1/3. That's it. So most questions will actually be just a variation of this. Even when they get harder, the thing that they mostly mess up is the denominator. We're going to word things in weird ways so that maybe we're not choosing from all the stuff that's presented to us. But that's rare, and I doubt you're really going to see them in the PSAT. And if you do, I wouldn't really worry about it. But I do think that a lot of people are going to get scared because they're like, oh, I've never really done probability in school, or I don't remember it very well. And so you think this question is hard, but it's really not. We're really just dealing with a fraction. The only thing that might change slightly is maybe instead of asking for the answer as a fraction, they ask for the answer as a decimal or as a percentage. But remember, fractions, decimals, and percents are the same thing. They're just different versions of writing the same number. So if they wanted a decimal, put it in the calculator and divide. If they want a percent, take that number and multiply it by 100. That's it. They're all the same thing. So probability is very, very simple on the PSAT and on the SAT as well.